What's up, y'all? I got this 15-inch. Crap! I don't forgot the damn name. I bought this just now. It's a 15-inch Orion. I'll tell you in a minute. But this is a Pro box that I really don't. I don't know. I don't like Pro boxes. I don't know why, but I don't like them. But this must be an old school Pro box. But this is how it looked. It's really weird. I took all the screws out of it. You can take this off. I think I'm gonna sell this. Then you can pop this out. Hold on. Let me do something so y'all can get some lighting. Alright, there we go. It's the Orion right there. I just got it's 15. It's a Pro box. For some odd reason, and this is dirty. I picked this up for. That's what it looks like. The box. And if you put this on here, and then you gotta put this here. I don't know. You can take it apart or whatnot. Anyways, subwoofer, I'm gonna take it out, show y'all everything. But the specs, it says 2,000 watts, 1,200 RMS, no, 1,200 peak, and 600 RMS. So yeah, but that's it. I picked it up for $60. So, got a deal, I guess. But I don't like this box, so I think I'm gonna sell this box. I got a box there, and I got another box behind that box. But yeah. Anyways, later. Alright, guys. Might got, I don't know. It's still good, I guess. The coils look alright. But it's dusty as hell in here. And those look kinda, I don't know. I don't like the way they look. Y'all see all that? And then I just noticed on the side, I don't know if it'll see the cracking. It's cracking all the way around. All the way around, it's like that. So, I don't know, guys. Might have got a little ripped off, but he played it for me. It played, so I guess it is what it is. I'll play it until I can't play no more. Then I'll buy something else, I guess. This is just really something to get me going, get my bass back, but man. Alright, well, later. Hey YouTube. What's up YouTube? How y'all doing today? Ladies and gentlemen, I just put in a new Pioneer. I had a Kenwood, I sold it. I put it in the Pioneer. This is a 2014 model. So, yeah. It's not a new model. It's an older model. But, yeah. I love it, though. Right now, I like it. Yeah. I like it. I just installed it. Got Bluetooth, satellite radio, mix track, DVD player. It got everything in it, and I love it, you know. I just put it in. I got some work to do still. I'm waiting on my microphone and everything for my Bluetooth. And my USB port. I gotta put my USB port. I thought about drilling a hole right here for my USB port, so like my cigarette lighter, and put it right there. But I'm not sure yet. As you can see, it's junk all over the damn floor. So yeah. Anyways, YouTube, this is what I did, you know. And got an unboxing coming soon. Oh, by the way, let me go ahead and do this real quick while I'm here. A 2014 Dodge Avenger. I got these 19s now on there. They're 235 35 19s. I just put those on there about 3 months ago. But yeah, that's all I did so far. I'm about to take all that off. And yeah, I just put these on a couple months ago. And look at my tire. Tire's all gone. So yeah, the back end's out of alignment. So I gotta see that fresh meat up here. So yeah, that's that. All right, see y'all later.